Hey, Brian Hawkins here, and this is going to be a very short video, and it's just going to be about rehydrating dehydrated mushrooms for an actual meal that I'm getting ready to do. So I'm going to cook a roast, and I'm going to use the dehydrated mushrooms because that's like the ideal situation for rehydrating them. These are some mushrooms that I dehydrated 1 year ago, and as you can see, we use them and then reseal it. So that's been resealed. What I'll do is I'll mix this. I gotta pick this phone up because that's not working. So there's the roast. Got a bunch of onions in there. There's a big old piece of meat, big old piece of roast in there, and then the mushrooms. I just grabbed that from the garden this morning. And this right here is cream of mushroom soup, and some homemade chicken bone broth and some pepper. And then I'm going to mix these mushrooms directly into that, stir it up, and pour it in the crock-pot. And it's going to sit there for 4 to 6 hours. I'm not even sure. We're just going to keep checking it, and when it's nice and tender and falling apart, we'll turn it off. But yeah, so all I do is hear that. Oh, it's a sweet sound. These mushrooms are perfectly fine. A year later, we're just going to pour some right in the liquid. I'll lift that up. So it doesn't take a lot because those are smaller than the. I mean, they're shrunk up, right? So we'll just get them nice and moist. There we go. It's all mixed in real nice. I'm gonna probably have to. Yeah. I'm gonna have to, get a spoon and mix that in there. But that's already looking perfect. Look at all that pepper. I love the pepper in there. Alright. Had to get me a spoon. But this isn't going to be a cooking show, a recipe, or anything else. This is just me showing you one of the ways that we will use dehydrated vegetables. And that's basically it. And that's actually in there pretty good. So, well covered. And that'll cook real nicely. And I'm going to show you how we put this back on the shelf so it continues to last. Alright, I hope you can see everything there. So, I got the microphone pointing the wrong way, so I'm going to try to lean over here by the microphone. This right here you can pick up at Amazon just about anywhere. This is for the standard regular mason jars, and these are for the wide lid, which is. So I'll take this, push that into the top, and put my lid here. And I'm just going to push this in, push this over, turn it on. On my particular food saver, I hit accessory, which activates this tube, and there we go. It's a lot of air in there because it's a larger jar and it's not completely full, so it'll take a second longer. I don't have to hold that. Man, it's exciting video. So then I take on the top, and I just pull this off. Okay, so I've had better luck by doing that. And just take this off, and it's sealed. Air's out of there, and it's sealed, and this will just go back into our kitchen. And then we keep more on the pantry, on the shelves. But this is the one that goes in the kitchen. There it is. Alright, Brian Hawkins, Next Step Survival. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and we're out of here. Hawkins out.